an exclusive chat with TTV Dinakaran, where he says an alliance with Owaisi is not a tacit help to the BJP. He also says he can't answer the hypothetical question on joining the BJP alliance, and he will also be fighting from 2 seats. Listen in.
Joining us now, AMMK Chief Mr. TTV Dinakaran. So thank you very much for your time. You have now struck an alliance with Mr. Owaisi, the MP. Yes. How, in your view, will it help your party in this election, sir?
Yeah, that party already they are growing in the northern belt of Tamil Nadu. And Honorable Owaisi has a broad view to develop his party in a national way. So we had talks many times, and at an appropriate time, we have finalized the alliance.
After the Bihar elections, they won 5 seats there. Many look at his party as the B team of BJP. How would you, are you tacitly helping the BJP or the AIADMK alliance in Tamil Nadu?
See, for the last 15 days or 1 month, there was huge rumors that there is pressure from Delhi that I am going to merge or join with AIADMK. Through you, I am telling to everybody who has spread that rumors. I know who has spread it. There was no such pressure from Delhi, and there was no such idea of joining in any way with AIADMK. So from the beginning, I am telling AMMK is started only to retrieve our party, parent party. So in that direction we are traveling, and our aim is to form Amma's real government and in Tamil Nadu. That is the motto of our party in which we have started. So how can these rumors, how can I answer these rumors?
But it's also a fact that many leaders in the BJP want you to either merge with AIADMK or at least become an ally of the AIADMK-BJP alliance so that the AIADMK votes will not be split. Will you be okay for that?
No. Nobody contacted me from BJP. I want to be very frank with you. No, there was no pressure from BJP. Right. Nobody talked to me also. Then why? I don't want to bluff or tell something. I'm telling you the fact. Only I know.
They asked you?
No, nobody.
If they ask you later?
How will they ask me? Already we are forming an alliance and going for election. It's only 2 more days to announce the candidates, and everything started now. I don't think they will not ask me.
But will there be a possibility if they ask you to join their alliance, if the BJP asks you?
I cannot answer those hypothetical questions.
Right. And your aunt, Miss Sasikala, sir, she was very aggressive when she returned from Bangalore after her release. But now she has decided to keep away from politics. What has led to this change of heart?
I have clearly told, no, even though she is my aunt, I cannot influence her or I cannot talk as on behalf of her. And she told me clearly in her statements, it is her own decision. No pressure, nothing from anybody else.
The BJP didn't pressure her to avoid split of votes?
No, it's all rumors.
Right. Well, Ms. Sasikala wants everyone to fight united against what she calls the common enemy. You are contesting alone now. In that sense, are you defying her? Are you disobeying her?
No, I am not disobeying. She knows I will obey her words because she is my mother. Leave everything, politics. She is my mother. But the thing, it's not possible, no? So I cannot go in that alliance. So she knows it clearly.
Right. And who is your number 1 rival in this election?
Naturally, DMK. DMK is our arch rival.
And you will not fight against AIADMK?
Naturally, we have to, in the war field, we have to fight against everybody.
If the AIADMK loses elections this time, sir, in your view, who would be responsible for that?
See, you know, everybody know. The people of Tamil Nadu know that who is the responsibility for the winning or losing of any party. So why should I unnecessarily talk about it? Let the people of Tamil Nadu give the clear mandate. Then really we'll talk about it.
Would that be a kind of a referendum on Ms. Sasikala's position, that in her absence the party could not win?
No, I don't think it's a political decision she has taken. It is her own decision.
Lastly, in 2019, your party could not win any seats in the Lok Sabha elections. Of course, you won big time in R.K. Nagar. What has changed over the years, over the last 3 years?
Sure, that is for the central government, no? That
That's
is
right.
for whom should be there in the power in the central government. This is entirely different. Whom they want for Tamil Nadu. So we hope that this election we will succeed in our attempt and people will support us and we will win and give Amma's government.
Lastly, where would you contest from?
Yeah, within 2-3 days you will come to
R.K.
know.
Nagar?
I am going to contest from 2 constituencies.
Sivaganga?
You will come to know shortly. I told you, I am going to contest in 2 constituencies.
Right. Thank you so much sir, for your time. That was Mr. TTV Dinakaran talking to us in Chennai with Suresh, Sam Daniel, Find It TV.